My name's Lane Ross.
Scotty Paul.
Our ecosystem name is the Amazon Rainforest. Description: it's humid and foggy. Ecosystem location is in South America. Similar ecosystem is the Congo. It's in Central Africa.
Three producers are the Brazil nut tree, avocado tree, and banana tree. Two primary consumers are the morpho butterfly and birdwing butterfly. Two secondary consumers are the harpy eagle and boa constrictor. A third level consumer is the jaguar.
Two abiotic factors are rain and rocks.
The rainforest is wet and green.
Human impact issue: cutting down too many trees and killing too many animals.
The effect of humans is it's making the animals go extinct and causing the rainforest to die.
Two features are tall trees and rivers.